Have you ever wondered why so many gardens have little gnomes hiding amongst the flowers? They are fun decorations today, but their story goes back much further than you might think. Garden gnomes are inspired by mythical earth spirits from European folklore. These tiny guardians were believed to protect the land. Help the plants grow. And watch over hidden treasures beneath the soil. In the 1800s, decorative garden gnomes became popular in Germany before spreading across Europe and eventually the world. Legend says that gnomes only come alive after sunset, quietly tending flowers, vegetables and trees while everyone else sleeps. Although nobody has ever proved these stories true, the tales help make gnomes symbols of good luck, prosperity and a healthy garden. Whether you believe the old legends or simply enjoy their cheerful appearance, garden gnomes continue to bring smiles to millions of gardens today. Do you have a garden gnome? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more fascinating garden history, folklore and plant stories.